So here's my area that I work on. You guys can see. We'll go underneath where the lights are at. Today we're going to bring a LED under the cabinet lights, and this is perfect. You could set this up for your kitchen or if your workstation. If you have no lights and you need extra light, this is a perfect thing to do. So let's take a look at it and see what you get. This is the actual to control the lighting effects, all right, from maximum to minimum, and you could turn it off and on through the system. It does require power, so they do give you a power adapter. Now this whole system has to be with interchange itself, so you can have even each individually labeled and marked and or mounted however you want. Now they give you plenty of options. They give you the actual underbelly of it, so you could just screw it on and it locks it in place. They give you 3M double adhesive for the actual cable management, and then if you want to actually match them all up together, you can do that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do one single long connection and maybe set this up under the cabin, and it could highlight the whole actual underneath each cabinet. So we're gonna take a look at it. So all right, we're gonna go ahead and plug it in, and this is a night to day mode sensor. All right, so you plug it in. We're gonna plug it. That's an option. You could have it in there, and I'm gonna block it out, but we're gonna turn it on first. So when it turns this on, it's not gonna turn on because I do have a couple of lights. But if I block it, it will automatically start turning on. Let me see if I there it is. So because I'm blocking it day to night mode, it knows exactly how to turn on automatically. Now I'm able to control it through here. But if you don't want to do this part, you could bypass it too. So that's an option. So we're gonna bypass it right now. We're gonna turn it off. We're gonna bypass the day to night mode. So you can always have this as an option and it comes on. Now you guys can see it's only one single color, and that's pretty much what you get. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up and see how it works underneath the cabinet, all right? Check this out. Show you the best part. I'm gonna turn it off, lower it down just a little bit. We'll step back. That's not even the brightest. And put it super high. There it is.